In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to resize your canvas in Polotno Studio. Whether you're preparing an Instagram post, a Facebook cover, or a YouTube thumbnail, resizing correctly ensures your design looks sharp and professional wherever it appears. First, open your browser and go to studio.polotno.com. Once the workspace loads, look for the resize button in the interface. Depending on your layout, it's typically in the top toolbar or along a side panel. If you don't see it right away, take a moment to scan the interface. It's clearly labeled and easy to spot once you know where to look. Click the resize button to open the canvas dimension settings. This brings up your resizing options in a clean, focused panel, so you can make precise changes without interrupting your design flow. Now you have two straightforward ways to choose your new dimensions. The first option is to use presets. These are ready-made sizes for common platforms and formats, like an Instagram post, a Facebook cover, or a YouTube thumbnail. Presets save time and help prevent mistakes, since they're already set to the correct dimensions for each platform. The second option is to enter a custom size. Type in your preferred width and height in the fields provided and select the units that best fit your project. Pixels are ideal for digital designs, while inches or centimeters make sense if you're planning for print or need a specific physical measurement. Keep your proportions in mind as you adjust. Matching the general shape of your original design often reduces the amount of fine-tuning needed afterward. When you're happy with the dimensions, click the Resize or Apply button to make the change. Polotno includes a helpful magic resize feature that automatically adjusts existing elements on your canvas to fit the new size. This can reposition and scale items so your layout remains consistent. It's a great starting point, and it often gets you most of the way there. After the resize, take a quick look around your canvas and make any small tweaks you need, nudging a photo, adjusting text size, or centering a graphic so everything looks exactly right. That's all there is to it. By opening the resize options, choosing a preset or custom dimensions with the units you need, and applying the change with Magic Resize, you can adapt your design for any platform quickly and confidently. Thanks for watching and enjoy creating with Polotno Studio.